there, I'm Lara from 5 out of 4 Patterns, and welcome to the Valerie, Kids Valerie, and Men's Val pattern sew along. This week we are going to tackle every step, well, most of the steps. I can't do everything, but we are going to tackle most of the steps this week in our sew along. As you can see, I'm wearing my very own Valerie. This is a fabulous top. It is fun to make. You can do all kinds of fun things to it, from color block to adding piping to color blocking and adding piping, different necklines. It is just fantastic. I love this pattern, and it is a great time of year to make something fun. It's February, and I don't know about you, but where I live, it's super snowy right now, and it makes me want to cry because I need to see some sunshine. So I'm making a Valerie. That's all the sunshine I need, right? So anyway, we've split up our tutorial into 5 sections to cover 5 days. Now, this sew along has an awesome sponsor. We love So English fabrics. In fact, this fabric right here I bought over a year ago from So English, and I don't know what took me so long to make something with it. I'm so glad that I waited to make the Valerie with it, because it is just super cute. It's a fun, I love to sew pattern on this print on this French terry. I love this fabric so much, and I love So English. I have a really difficult time and not constantly buying fabric. So I've been pretty good so far, but they're pretty fabulous. So anyway, they're our sponsor, and if you complete this sew along during the days of February 22nd to the 25th of 2021, you can be entered to win a $50 gift certificate from So English. That's pretty exciting, right? So all you have to do is participate Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You'll have the weekend to finish up. Submit your photos. I'll put all the information in the blog post and in our Facebook event. All you have to do is just follow along, and then you will be entered to win daily prizes and a $50 gift certificate from So English. I don't know about you, but that is pretty stinking exciting. I'm really happy to get this thing going. So without further ado, here's what this week looks like. Day 1, we're going to do our typical print, tape together the pattern, cut out the pattern, make any adjustments that we need to make, and then cut out our fabric. That's day 1. Day 2, we're going to work on the piping, putting our bodice together and adding the hidden pockets. Day 3, we're going to work on the sleeves. Day 4, it's all about bands, sleeve bands, hem bands, the bands. And day 5, we'll finish it up with the neckline. There are multiple necklines to this pattern. You have the funnel neckline, which is what I'm wearing. You have a gathered kind of funnel neckline with you could put grommets in it and have it be drawstring, so it kind of gathers here. There's a hood, and there's also the typical crew neckline that has the neck band. I will be making 2 for you. I will be making the hood and the funnel. Those are the 2 that I'll be making for you this week. So that is our Valerie, Kids Valerie, Men's Val sew along information. So I hope you'll join us all week long for this awesome sew along.